ahead and calibrate our stroke. So to calibrate our stroke, we're gonna start with that thin layer of the Mag 1 grease again. We're gonna bring down our rocker arm, and then we're gonna hit go, and we're gonna let it run for 30 seconds. Our machine for 30 seconds with that Mag 1 grease on here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna measure our edges. So when we're doing this, we want our edges to come within 1 millimeter of each other. So for this side here, it looks like we're measuring 13. And then on this side in that same area, let's just double check here. Yeah, 12. And then on this other side, we're measuring 10. On this side, we're measuring 6. And then on this side, we're measuring 3. So because we have movement that we need to make, what we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and wipe this so we're good to recheck things. But because we know that we're off millimeters, we need to go ahead and move some things around. This calibration is we're going to loosen this screw. So we're going to loosen this, and then there's a bolt over here that we're going to loosen. This bolt right here. So when we loosen this bolt, what we're doing essentially is we're just moving it out of the way. So now that we've got that loose, what we're going to do is we're going to take this screw out. So because of the way that I was measuring, I was a few millimeters off, and when I move this towards me, it's going to move everything to the right like we should need it, or away from me. Turn it away from me so everything goes to the right. So each turn is anywhere between a 1/2 millimeter to a millimeter. And when you have all of that set, you'll need to get this screw back in here. It can be a little bit tricky. Oh, did I just get that on the first try? Nice. Alrighty, so now because I've turned this towards me so I could move this over a little bit, I'm gonna just tighten everything back up. So you don't want loose parts. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna check that calibration again. So we're gonna bring that rocker arm down and we're gonna hit go for 30 seconds. Alrighty, so we finished up our 30 seconds. So now we're gonna just double check now. Did what we do, fix it. So on this side, it looks like we're measuring about 14. On this side, we're measuring about 13. On this side, we're measuring 5. And on this side, we are measuring 5. So because these two sides are within a millimeter of each other, and these two sides are within a millimeter of each other, we are all calibrated now. So because of all three of those steps, we've got this machine fully calibrated, so we can bring our pressure back to where we need it for surfacing jobs. And there we go.